Most people think the only way to feel energized is to sleep more. But here's the truth. Some people sleep 8 hours and wake up exhausted, while others sleep 5 or 6 hours and wake up sharp, focused, and fully alive. Energy isn't about how long you sleep. It's about how well your brain recovers. And today, I'll show you how to sleep less, wake up faster, and feel more energized than ever. Without coffee, without supplements. Just pure science-backed techniques. The 90-minute rule. Your brain sleeps in cycles of 90 minutes. If your alarm interrupts one of these cycles, you wake up tired, foggy, and unfocused. But if you wake up at the end of a cycle, your brain switches on instantly. Here's how to use it. Choose sleep durations like 4.5 hours, 6 hours, 7.5 hours, not 5 hours, not 6.5 hours, not 8 hours. Follow the cycle, and you'll wake up feeling like you slept more than you did. The 10-minute light reset. When you wake up, your brain needs one thing: light. Sunlight, or even bright indoor light, shuts off your melatonin and boosts your cortisol to wake you up naturally. Just 10 minutes of light is enough to switch your brain from sleep mode to full power mode. Don't touch your phone. Don't check messages. Just light. It changes everything. The cold splash hack. When you're low on sleep, your nervous system is slow. That's why your body feels heavy in the morning. Here's the fix. Splash cold water on your face or put cold water on your wrists and neck for 10 seconds. It triggers a reflex called the dive response, which wakes up your entire body instantly. It's like hitting the on switch. Micro naps. If you want to sleep less at night but stay energized, use micro naps. A 10 to 15-minute nap can restore 2 hours of mental energy. But here's the rule: never nap longer than 20 minutes. Otherwise, you fall into deep sleep and wake up groggy. Short nap equals huge boost. The evening shutdown routine. The reason you wake up tired is not because you didn't sleep long enough. It's because your brain didn't shut down properly. 1 hour before bed. Dim your lights, stop screens, no heavy food, no stressful conversations. You're telling your brain, the day is ended. Prepare to rest. Do this, and even 5 to 6 hours of sleep feels like 8. The wake-up anchor. Your brain loves patterns, so if you wake up at random times, your energy becomes random too. Pick one wake-up time and stick to it, even on weekends. After a week, your body will predict your wake-up and you'll naturally become alert at the same minute every day. Less sleep, more energy, no struggle. You don't need more hours in your day, you just need more power in the hours you already have. Sleep smarter, wake up stronger, and take control of your energy. If you enjoy learning new things and improving your life step by step, don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow together.